Hi there, my name is Katie and I'm with Sola Wood Flowers. Today's tutorial is for some pew flowers. This is so perfect for weddings and making your own wedding decor for that DIY bride, and it will last forever. So you can use it in your home decor after or give it away as gifts. Super fun tutorial. We are going to start with a few of our Sola Wood flowers, of course, and we are just going to add a wire stem to these. We are just using some raw flowers in today's arrangement to keep it a little bit more neutral. To stem your flowers, you just want to add a little bit of glue to your stem and then stick that stem into the back of the Sola Wood flower. Now that we have all of our flowers stemmed, we are ready to start arranging. This is kind of going to be a little bit of a more wild style bouquet, so we just kind of gathered up our flowers in our hands here, and we are going to start adding filler in between the flowers and around the outside. We have a couple types of our dried filler here. You can use dry filler, preserved filler, faux filler if you would like, whatever matches the aesthetic that you're going for to match your wedding day or your home decor. We went with the raw flowers because we do have this filler that we're using now that has a little bit of a pinkish red color to it. And with the white flowers and the other filler, it just kind of gives us a little bit of a vintagey look here, which is what we're going for this specific arrangement. Now that we have our flowers and filler arranged how we would like, we are going to secure that with a bit of floral tape. You want to make sure that you use enough tape that everything that you just did is going to stay in place and it's not going to be moving around. To cover that floral tape, we're just going to use a bit of jute twine, glue the end down, wrap it around, and just make sure that that floral tape is covered. Now our super fun little wild style bouquet is complete. We're going to set that off to the side for just a minute. We have a piece of burlap here that we are going to roll into a cone shape. And to make it stay, we're just going to use our favorite crafting supply, which is hot glue. Add a line of hot glue down the edge there and then just secure it down. You want to make sure you hold it in place for just a couple of seconds. Let that glue kind of cool a little bit so it gets tacky and it's not going to move out of place. This little burlap cone creates the perfect holder for your little wild style bouquet. You can attach it to a chair at your wedding for aisle decor. You can add it to the arch. You can stick it on a wall at your wedding venue. Wherever you would like to add a little bit of floral decor on your big day, you can do so with this style of holder. We're going to plop our bouquet in there, and now we have our finished decor, which is absolutely gorgeous and super fun for weddings or any kind of event. If you want to get crazy with a birthday or a quinceañera, this is perfect for that as well. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you have a wonderful rest of your week. Happy crafting!